This video will show you how to increase the number of decimal places in the Sketch module. I will try creating an offset line using 12 decimal places. I input 21.1234567891012. Values are normally displayed with 2 decimal places. This function allows you to display the number of decimal places as needed. Go to Dimension, Other Dimension, and change dimension name. Then switch the mode to Change Decimal to edit. Select the dimension and input value of decimal place. Then click middle mouse to confirm and watch result. Now try on 9 decimal place. Next, I will try selecting multiple dimensions to change the decimal places at once. It's easy to change. You can select all the dimensions you want by using a selection region. I hope this video is helpful for your work. Thanks, and see you next time.